New hair, who this? Y'all like it? I cut my hair, guys. Like, I really cut my hair. This is like this long. That's it. That's all the hair I have in the back, but I really like it. It feels really nice and fresh, and hopefully my hair will grow back healthy. Anyway, let's start this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paola, and in case that you're new here, I make videos that are beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you know whenever I post new videos. And yeah, let's get started with this video. For today's video, I wanted to film a hygiene routine, and I've been wanting to film this for a minute, but I know they can be kind of controversial. All I can really say about that is if it doesn't apply, let it fly. Like, don't use the products if you don't want to use them. This is what works for me personally. So without further ado, let's jump into my hygiene routine. So I don't know about you, but I personally like to smell like a snack. So this is what I do, my little hygiene routine, because you can't just throw on perfume over funk. It don't work like that. So I figured why not stop at the very top and start with my hair. So this is what I use to wash my hair. I do like to switch it up because my hair, well, I'm sure everybody's hair, I feel like it kind of gets used to the like shampoos and conditioners and it doesn't work as well. So I like to switch it up between washes. Right now I have like 4, but these are my 2 favorites right now. So what I'm using right now is the Garnier Whole Blends Legendary Olive. It's a replenishing shampoo, and also the Garnier Moisture Lock with Cactus Extract. So in case you're not seeing a trend here, I definitely need to re-moisturize my hair. One of the reasons I cut it is because it was just so fried from all the heat damage and all the hair dyes and all of that. So I've definitely I want to work on building up my hair nice and strong so I can get my curls back, because my curls are dying, y'all, and I'm so sad. Just a moment. All right, I'm done. So I've been using these. This is the conditioner, not even the shampoo. Wow, Paola. So I've been using these along with the conditioners, and I kind of like just alternate. I'll do, you know, one time, one the other time. And something else, I don't wash my hair every day. I cannot, because my hair would be completely dry. My hair needs those natural oils, so I wash it once to twice a week. And I know to some people that's nasty, whatever, do you boo, but my kind of hair I cannot wash every day. So what I do is to extend it throughout the week. If I feel like it's getting a little too oily, or you know, if I've been going to the gym or something, then I'll just use some dry shampoo, and this is the one that I've been using. It's the instant dry shampoo. I like it because it smells fresh, and it just like gives it a little extra vavavoom. All right, so my face products like reign supreme. My bathroom is jam-packed and stuffed to the core. I can't even tell you, but these are some of my favorites that I'm using right now. I just got this like, I want to say like 2 weeks ago now, and I have been using it so much that I'm gonna go as soon as this is over and purchase the full size one. It is the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse Balm and the Special Cleansing Gel. I got this as part of like the little 2-pack, and it came with the little mitt. So what I do is I put some of this Pre-Cleanse Balm, and it really feels like a lip balm, or like, yeah, like a balm, and I just put it all over my face, and then in circular motions, I don't even like to touch this with my hands. When circular motions, I just put it all over my face, and when I tell you, I feel like such a deep clean after that. So then I wash it off, and I use the Special Cleansing Gel. This has been like kind of mostly my nighttime routine, but if you guys want to see a full-on nighttime routine, just let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to do it for you. Anyways, and then I use this Special Cleansing Gel, and when I tell you, like, my face feels like I got new skin. And when you do makeup, or when you use makeup as often as I like to use it, even though I really don't use it every day, but as often as I like to use it, I feel like skincare is so top notch. Actually, even if you're not into makeup, take care of your skin. Oh my goodness. Like, you see all these little like acne scars? Those are hormonal as hell, because normally I don't have breakouts. The breakouts that I get are only, you know, when it's about to be that time, which is normal. But other than that, I like to take care of my skin. I like to wash my face. I like to make sure I'm on top of it, because even if you are into makeup, like, no amount of foundation and concealer is going to cover up texture. So if you work on your skin, it's not just healthy for you, but it'll make you look even better. And like right now I have no foundation on, no nothing on, just a little lip gloss, and my skin looks real good, if I do say so myself. Just saying. Anyway, so that's what I use mostly at night. And then in the shower, depending on what time of day it is, this is like so super dirty, it has toothpaste all over it, but I use this in the morning. This is the Clean and Clear Morning Burst, and this is the oil free one. This wakes me the hell up because I gotta get up like 5 in the morning, and I don't know about y'all, but my body don't be ready. It's been years and my body's still not ready. Anyway, this is what I use in the morning to wake me up. I will either do it as I'm brushing my teeth or when I jump in the shower. They're really close to each other. I'll just grab it or whatever. But this is really bomb for in the morning. I love, love, love it. And then I use these two for my afternoon showers or whatever. Whenever I'm taking a shower, or even sometimes when I just get home from work, I just want to wash my face, I will use either this, the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. I actually got this in a BoxyCharm, and this was like 3 months ago, and I'm still not done with it. And I use it not every single day, but at least every other day, because again, I switch it up. And then the other one is the Clean and Clear Daily Pore Cleanser. I just feel like my face, like, I want stuff that's gonna get in there. You know what I mean? And both of these are so good. They are exfoliating and they're bomb.com. So I definitely recommend those. Alright, so let's talk about my teeth. This is where a little bit of the controversy is going to start. I know. Save it. This is what works for me. If it doesn't work for you, that's fine. But I like to use this. I actually got this, I want to say, yeah, it was at Marshall's. It is the charcoal peppermint flavored tooth and gum powder. So it's just activated charcoal. It's really messy, that's why I won't open it. So all you have to do is like you wet your toothbrush and then you dip it in here and then brush your teeth, and your teeth look black while you're brushing it. It does get messy because little dots will get all over your sink, so be prepared to clean your sink after using these. I don't use this every single day, but I will use it, for example, if I know like I'm gonna be taking pictures, or if I know I'm gonna be filming a YouTube video. Just like, you know, I do it in between there when I want my teeth, or if I'm going out, you know, for a special occasion, or I'm gonna wear red lipstick. So this really makes my teeth look extra white, like, you know, that fresh out of the dentist after a cleaning white that your teeth get. It looks like that. It's so bomb. It tastes like peppermint. I was terrified before I tried it because I was like, oh, this is gonna taste like charcoal. It's gonna taste like chalk. And it doesn't. It tastes like peppermint. So I got this at Marshall's for like under $5. Actually, no, it says $6.99, $7. So it was worth it. You get a lot in here. I've used it a lot, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's only right here. So it's definitely worth it. And then the toothpaste that I like to use is the Colgate Optic White. I wasn't gonna lie to kick it. I brought you guys the one that's in my bathroom right now. I'm not gonna go get a new tube, like, I don't use toothpaste. I would hope y'all know I use toothpaste. Anyways, this is the Colgate Optic White in sparkling white. Sorry, in sparkling mint. So I love this toothpaste. It is my ride or die. I've been using this for years. I love this stuff. And I put a few people onto it. So there you go. Alright, let's move on to, you know, my body. My body. Okay, so for my body, I use a bunch of body washes. Sometimes I do use a bar soap, but I'm completely out right now. However, I'm going to mention it to you guys anyway. It is the Shea Moisture African Black Soap. I use that all over my body, and it feels really good. It's really gritty, so it really gets in there, and your skin will thank you for it. The reason that I use that or started using that soap wasn't for me. I initially bought it for my son because he has eczema, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try it and see how my skin feels. And when I tell you, your skin, like, you will feel the difference. Your skin will thank you for it. So actually I'm gonna go pick some up probably tomorrow on my way home from work, because I just realized when I sat down to film this video that I'm completely out. So I thought I had a spare bar somewhere, but I don't. Anyways, so I don't really have a preference. I do have a preference. It has to smell good. I usually like it if it has some kind of micro beads, but these are the things that I use for my body. I switch them up depending on my mood. One of them is the Dial Skin Therapy Replenishing Body Wash in Himalayan pink, in Himalayan pink salt and water lily. So Oh my gosh, it just smells so good and girly and flowery without it being like, you know, the grandma flowery scent. It's not like a grandma flowery scent. It's like a very young ladylike, like chic smell. I don't know if I just did a good job describing that smell, but that's what it smells like to me. It smells really good. It smells, what, there's like a little string just floating. Anyways, it smells really like ladylike and floral and lacy and pretty, and it makes me smell really pretty. So this is one of them. See, I really use these products. I'm almost out of this one. Then the next one that I use is just like the Target brand, because they were out of the Caress one, which is the one that I wanted to get. It says Compare to Caress Tahitian Renewal with pomegranate seeds and coconut milk. So it's an exfoliating body wash. It looks like this, and this one just smells like pomegranate. Oh, and it's so good. And I don't know if you guys can even see it, but it has a bunch of little beads in it, and it also has like something shimmery. It's not glitter, but it's a little iridescent, and I definitely feel like it makes my body feel or look like I'm glowing without even putting on lotion or anything. Like my skin just looks really glowy after I use this. It's actually really good. I usually do get the Caress, but since they were out, I just tried the Target brand, and Target brand stuff is really good also. So I'm just saying. And then the last one that I use, or that I've been using, is the Tone Brazilian Glam. This is the Brazil nut oil and maracuja, which is passion fruit, if you guys don't know. It's a nourishing body wash, and I got it because I love the smell. I'm not even gonna lie. Ugh. This smells like home. My phone just went off, sorry. This smells like home to me, and by home, like I mean like Dominican Republic. It smells like I'm out in the tropics somewhere on a tropical island sipping a tropical drink and just like in it. It just smells like the experience. So if you need a little getaway, definitely recommend this one. This is by Tone, and yeah, it's really cheap and it's really good, and you smell really nice and clean, and like a little bit and my whole bathroom be lit up. My whole bathroom smells like a tropical oasis. So, and it lasts, like the scents of these last a really long time. All right, on to the part that you guys have probably been waiting for, my lady bits. So this is the other part that I said was going to be a little controversial. I really don't care. I'm going to talk about what I'm going to talk about, but y'all don't judge me. And if it doesn't work for you, don't do it. So I don't know about y'all, but I don't like to smell anything when I go to the bathroom or anything like that. I don't want to smell anything. I don't want to smell myself. I don't want to smell sweat. I don't want to smell like anything. First, ladies, please listen to me. Get yourself some panty liners. So this is what I use. These are just the Always Thin Daily Liners, and they're super tiny, and you put them in your panties because you know why? No matter who you are, women have vaginal discharge. Different throughout the month, but you're gonna have some kind of vaginal discharge. So just to keep myself dry as possible, and to avoid, you know, any bacteria or any of that, I just put on panty liners. Like, these are really cheap, really inexpensive. You get 20 for like $2 or something. Another thing, when you wipe, you're just wiping whatever on you. So what I like to do is, because you're not going to take a shower after every time that you tinkle, I use baby wipes. These are just, again, the Target brand. This is the Fresh Scent baby wipes. If you have sensitive skin, they have sensitive ones. They have ones with no scent. To be honest with you, it doesn't really matter as long as you get baby wipes and clean yourself. So I usually keep not a bag this big. I mean, unless I have a really big bag, a really big purse. But I usually keep baby wipes in my purse, and it's for those moments after you use the bathroom, like, and wipe with regular. Always, I like to wipe with one of these just to make sure that everything stays as sanitary as possible down there. And then the way that I clean myself, especially, like, sometimes I'll use regular old soap if I'm like in a rush or something. I don't have time to do like my whole shower routine. I'll just use regular soap. But especially if it's that time of the month, I'm doing this. I'm using the Summer's Eve Island Splash Cleansing Wash. This is what I use. I really love the way this smells. It smells, This one smells really tropical too. It smells kind of florally, but again, not in a grandma way. So this is what I use. I just take it. I have a special rag for her. So I take it, I put it on there, and then I clean myself. I'm not telling you to put this inside your vagina. You should not be putting anything inside your vagina to clean it. It is self-cleaning on the inside, but on the outside you definitely want to make sure it's nice and clean. So I use this right. And then what I use for afterwards is just to make sure that I'm extra fresh, again, especially on days where I know that I'm either going to be super active and not going to have a chance to run back home and shower, or on days that I know that my hormones might be a little bit all over the place, or it's about to be that time of the month, or it is that time of the month. I use this. This is a Summer's Eve, a tropical rain freshening spray, and it's literally like a spray on, like a deodorant, to make sure that you don't get anything on you. And I literally, that's it. Like, I just spray a little right on the area. Like, imagine this is that, and I literally, that's it. Like, you're not going to get in there or anything like that. Like, you're not going to open up and spray. You're not going to do any of that. You're literally going to do, like, if you want to do one spray, if you want to do like an X marks the spot, whatever. But I promise you, you will smell fresh. Have you ever, like, walked into a bathroom or something and you're like, yeah, you don't want that to be you. I don't want it to be me. So that's what I use, and that's what works for me. And it smells really good too. Like, that doesn't hurt. It smells really nice and fresh. It's not like a perfumey scent. It just is like a fresh, powdery smell. So it smells like clean. Alright guys, that is it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, any of that. If you guys want me to film any specific video, let me know all that in the comments below. Or let me know over on my social media. I will have all my social media links down in the description box. Yeah, I've been super active on Twitter, on Snapchat, and on Instagram lately. So yeah, find me over there and let's connect and let's be friends. Share this video with whoever you feel might need to hear it, or you just think they might enjoy me, because you know, who doesn't enjoy me? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.